Creators, this is Magic Vens Tarot, Mystic C from Magic Vens Tarot, and this is what blessings are coming for you for Aquarius. Yes, friends, if you know, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Aquarius, or if you know an Aquarius, this reading is for you, friends. And this is a timeless reading. Whenever you come across this reading, this will help you out in some way. Also, friends, you can cross watch it for an Aquarius if you know what blessings are coming. We are going to look in an, this is an overall reading. I'll try to bring you all messages for your love and your career or whatever comes, you know, relationships or whatever. Friends, please do subscribe Magic Vens Tarot and do like and share our channel. It means a lot to me. If you are not subscribing, it breaks my heart. Please do support these readings, friends. I work very hard throughout the lockdown quarantine. I had been working very hard. You all know that. So friends, please do subscribe and do comment so I know what you all want. You can also let me know in the comments which readings you want. And friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Vens Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvenstarot.com. Friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. For Aquarius, what blessings are coming? What blessings are coming for Aquarius? Let's see. Friends, you can also cross watch it if you are curious about an Aquarius in your life. You can cross watch it. You can also watch other June readings or any other readings. Lots of readings I do. For Aquarius, what blessings are coming? Let's see. Okay, Three of Pentacles, the Hierophant. Lovely. Okay, that's Three of Cups, celebrations. Wow. Let's see. What blessings are coming for Aquarius? Wow, your own energy, the transformation, and the King of Swords. What blessings are coming for Aquarius? Nine of Cups, Three of Cups, Nine of Cups, Queen of Cups. Oh my God, friends, Eight of Pentacles. Wow, what blessings are coming for you, Aquarius? Big changes, big positive changes are coming for you. I feel you had been through hell and back, Aquarius. Oh my God, you had worked hard, you had faced challenges, you had been heartbroken, and you had been, you had been through hell and back. It's been tough. It's been tough for you, Aquarius. But it's gone. It's all over now. These bad things, these transformations, these challenges, they are over. They are over and new changes are coming for you. I feel you had been going through a phase, Aquarius, where people were not helping you, supporting you, or supportive partnerships in job, career, or relationships were missing out from your life. They are now coming in your life, Aquarius. Congratulations. The blessing coming is helpful people, people who can work with you, who share your vision, who share your ideals in relationships, your goals. I definitely feel for some of you, some sort of a some sort of a wedding will happen or some sort of a legal official announcement is going to happen. Some of you may start to at work you can get recognized for your work that you had been doing since over 10 years, 12 years, or maybe some 3 years you have been putting in the effort, but it was not recognized, but now it will be. This is a big time for you. You have one, two, and two major arcanas and two wishes coming true card. Eight of Pentacles. Wow. I feel for others, not just that, your justice is coming back, friends. Things have been tough for you, Aquarius. You have worked for it, but things were not, people were not recognizing you, or people at your work were not accepting your position or power or your wisdom. I feel it is going to change, friends. It is going to change. Some of you could be getting that promotion. Some of you could be getting that higher job that you want. Some of you could be getting a official reward or an announcement or a degree or something. Some of you could be graduating college or graduating masters or something. not graduating, but like, getting a certificate of masters, becoming doctors, doctorate degrees. Wow, celebrations are coming your way, friends. Happy, happy celebrations. I feel some of you are going to find good friends, and some of you are going to get married, Aquarius. Congratulations. I'm super happy. I don't usually do these readings, but since 2020 is a big, big year, so much has been changing, shifting, stuck and unstuck, and spiritually growing. So Spirit said do these readings. So here they are. Let me know if you enjoyed these reading, and shall I continue them? Your wishes are definitely going to come true. A happy, happy movement is coming towards you. Something that will make you very something will give you a lot of happiness. It could be a marriage, it could be finding, if you are in a same sex relationship, you may find the person you are looking for, that you will end up marrying. Someone could offer you love, someone could offer you commitment, or Aquarius, you are going to offer someone commitment, marriage, happy friendships. Soul friendships are important. A Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is going to come in your life, or someone is going to make you feel like the king or the queen, man or a woman. Someone is going to really work hard. You are the prize, Aquarius. You are the prize, and you are someone's queen. Someone's heart is set on you, and whether you are a male or a female, they want you, they want to spoil you, they want to nurture you. Spirit wants to spoil you, nurture you. And why? Because you have worked hard, Aquarius. You have worked very, very hard, and now it is time for your rewards to come in. Someone else wants to do this hard work for you while you can enjoy in your life. Let me just clarify who is coming, or what blessing is coming for Aquarius. What blessing? Wow, Two of Pentacles. Someone was not taking, someone has ghosted you, someone has left you, and someone was keeping you stuck and in cycles, Aquarius. Someone was keeping you stuck. They have done you great injustice. They have done you great injustice, and they ghosted you, or they lied and cheated on you. This person was juggling you with another, or they were in double minds about you. I feel that is over. They are going to communicate towards you. And what will be the communication? Let us see that. Lot of communications. I feel not just your person, your lover, or someone new is contacting you or communicating. I feel Spirit will also be giving you lots of messages. Okay, the sun. See, you are the sunshine in their life, Aquarius, and it was a karmic. It was calm. It was destined. It was destined. That ending was destined, or it was meant to happen at that point of time, because you both had to learn from it. But I feel either that person from your past or a new person is returning back, and oh my God, Aquarius, it is going to bring you amazing love and happiness. Absolutely, you can rest assured. Even in career, if you felt something was missing out from your life, money, recognition, rewards, injustice was done, it will be resolved. It will be resolved. Sun is going to shine on you. You are the sun, Aquarius. You are the sun. Let us see what else will happen for Aquarius. Wow, never ending story. There is some story or some belief or some sort of a pattern that's going on in your life, Aquarius, but I think you will find some resolution in that, because there is death, the transformation. Something is ending and resolving and transforming in your life, and positive changes are coming. You may feel like, things are shifting very quickly for you, or you had been carrying your home on your, you felt like there was no home for you, Aquarius. Somehow you felt like people around you, they were not supporting you at your work, in your love life, family. No one understood you. You felt like there was no home for you. I feel you will be given that home. There is a change in the wind. Things are changing. Positive changes. Clarify the change in the wind, angels. What is changing? Yeah, see, milk and the honey. Comfort is coming towards you, friends. Comfort is coming for you. Some nourishment is coming for you. Good things are coming. Messages in a bottle, friends. Someone is going to bring you this hope, this relief, this happiness that you deserve. Someone is your home. Wow, this is beautiful, Aquarius. Let us see what else. What is the message from Spirit? What Spirit wants to tell you? What Spirit wants to tell Aquarius? What Spirit wants to tell Aquarius? Okay. Wow, listen. Friends, it is time to listen. A lot of messages I told you. Your spirit guides, your angels, your lovers, your twin flames, everyone is with you. Listen. And someone wants to share their heart with you. Listen. It's going to make you very, very happy. Angels, Spirit, what is the message for Aquarius? Wow, nurture. See, that's what I told you. That's what is missing from your life, Aquarius. Nurturement, nurturing energy. You are not keeping yourself a priority. It is all going to change. You are going to be everyone's priority and your own priority too. The spirit world, the angels, the people around you, your friends and family, everyone is going to nurture you. Some of you could be getting a blessing of a baby or a marriage or a home, or some of you could be getting the divine, masculine, feminine energy, like your twin flame returning back or connecting with you. This is beautiful. Any other final message for Aquarius, Spirit? Message for Aquarius. See, choose your battles. I think, Aquarius, you have chosen your battles very wisely, and this is the time of your rewards. You may feel that your challenges are very strong and you can't overcome them, but I think the time ahead is going to surprise you, and everything you desire will manifest very quickly, and a lot of blessings are coming for you. You may not even believe this reading right now. You will be like, nah, it's not coming true, but I assure you, friends, it's gonna come true for you. And how do I know? Because I too am an aqua baby, friends. So yes, so it's coming true for you, friends. Let's see any other message. Wow, see, parrot is here. Someone will gossip about you, all your secrets, and time to get out of a situation. So definitely there has been people who were working against you at work or in your relationship or family, but all that is over. People who were gossiping or who were doing you wrong, all that is over, friends. What is coming? See, lobster, financial pinch. I feel like this is all past energy. Success is coming, see. And I would say, friends, keep an eye on your money, especially if someone tells you a scheme or something. Keep an eye on that, because this is a message from spirit. So keep an eye, hold your money, and keep your secrets and plans to yourself. Successful outcome to your problems. Your problems will be resolved and success is coming your way. What a beautiful reading, Aquarius. That's it for now. Please do subscribe, like, and share Magic Vents Tarot. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com, friends. And let me know if this reading resonated, if you enjoyed this reading or not. Please, I'm trying to do readings which are more on different topics, and also about, regarding this year and spirituality. So let me know, friends, let me know if this resonated with you. This is Mystic C saying bye for now.